Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you formatting in HTML. In my previous videos I have covered up introduction to HTML, then how to write a simple program in HTML, as well as through mobile, means it was for Android user, how to upload an image in an HTML document. So in today's video I am going to cover up formatting in HTML. Let me open Notepad as a text browser, and as I told in my previous videos, I am going to copy the structure of HTML document from the template that I have already saved. So this was the file that I have created in my previous video. So I will open it up in a text editor. Here I am using Notepad. So I'll copy this content and I'll paste it over here. Why I'm doing this? Because for every HTML coding, this is the common template or the structure that we will be using over here. Whatever changes we need to make, we will make changes in comment statement, title and the body tags. So let me delete this comment statement and let me write that this program will show different types of HTML, different types of formatting in HTML document. I will also make changes in the title tag as formatting in HTML. Now, what is formatting? As you know, formatting is the appearance of the text, how your text looks like in a HTML document. That is done by formatting using different type of HTML elements. So now I will write those script in the body tag. So first thing I'm going to use over here is I will use h1 tag. Now what is the purpose of h1 tag? H1 tag will appear the text in bigger size. Usually h1 tag is used to give the heading or the title of the text in an HTML document. So let's say I will write it as formatting or let me write it as different types of formatting elements in HTML. So this is the title I want to give to my web page, and in the next line I would be using p tag. Now why p tag? P tag is a paragraph tag which will highlight the text in every new line. Means if I am writing two different sentence or a paragraph, it will always appear that particular content on a next line. So I'm going to write it as this is a paragraph tag, or I will write it as this is a paragraph. Alright, so I will close it using p tag. The next tag I'm going to use over here is bold tag or B tag along with P tag. So P tag along with bold tag. Now what bold tag will do? Bold tag will make the text bold or a bit thicker than the normal text. This text will appear in bold letters. So I will close both the B tag and P tag. Then rest of the two formatting style are, one is italic tag and the other one is underline tag. So I will make changes within this italic tag. This text will appear in inclined, or better to say, this text will slightly slant towards right side. The next tag, as I said, I will use underline. So we'll use U tag and I will make changes over here. This text will appear as underline. So this is done. Then I will go to the next tag, which is strike tag. Now what strike tag does? Strike tag will mark the sentence using a straight line at the center of the text. This will strike the sentence or better to say, this will strike on the sentence, because it will appear on the sentence itself. I will show you the output, don't worry, and you will feel the appearance how strike tag will show its effect. Then I will come to superscript and subscript. Now what superscript does? Superscript will display the text just above the baseline. Normally we used to write sentence on the line, but superscript will display the text little bit above the line. Take an example of a formula, a plus b whole square. How it appears? A plus b will appear on the baseline and 2 will appear above a plus b. So let me write it like this: A plus b, then I will use superscript element, then I will write 2, because within this parenthesis a plus b would be written, and after the parenthesis closed, 2 will appear above the parenthesis, closing parenthesis. So let me close superscript tag. And then I will go for subscript. Now what subscript tag does? It will display the text just below the baseline. and I will make changes over here because I want to show you the formula of H2O. H2O is the chemical form of water. So after H, I want to be appear below the baseline. So I will write it as H subscript 2, then after the subscript effect is closed, I will write it as O. So it will appear like this. Let me show you in a Word document. It would be better for you to understand. Is taking a bit time. Okay, so let me increase the size of the font. Let's say I'm writing H2O. So this 2 will appear in below the baseline like this. So output will be displayed like this, and for a plus b whole square it will appear like this. I will use superscript like this. I think now you're able to understand how the appearance of the text will shown in the output. So once it is done, I will go for the next formatting element, which is del. Now what del does? Del is usually used to delete the text from the content. So this text will be deleted from the content. Though the effect is to remove this sentence from the main HTML document, but it will show you similar to the effect of strike, this one. The next tag we are going to use over here is insert. Now what an insert element does, insert element will add the text in a given content. So this text will be inserted in the content. I hope it's easy to understand. In case you're facing difficulty to understand, do share your comment below my video. The next formatting text I'm going to take is big. Now what big element does? Big element, as H1 header we have used at the top, big element is not used for giving title of the HTML document, but it makes the given text bigger, similar to the bold. This text will appear big. Next one I will use small. Let me copy this one. I will use the next formatting tab as small. Just opposite to big, it will appear the text smaller in size. Now the next element I'm going to take as mark. What mark element or tag does, it will highlight the given text. In most of the computers, this tag is highlighted by the color yellow in the background, but it still depends on different computer. You can check in yours what is the default color it has taken from a system. This text So these are the few basic formatting elements that I have used over here. Now let me save this file. Let me go to D drive and save it in HTML folder, and let me give it a name, formatting text.html. So once this is done, the untitled name of this file will change to formatting text. Did you see that? Now let me minimize and let me go to D drive. It's already open, and I'm seeing over here that formatting text.html file is displayed. Now when it formatting text file is already here. So let me double click on the file to check the output. So as you can see, the output is displayed using different type of effects. Now let me increase or zoom this web page so that you would be able to see this properly. So see, H1 effect is already showing the title of the text. This is a normal text with a paragraph tag. Then boldness of this tag is already here, but if you notice, if you compare a big tag with bold, the size of the text is bigger compared to bold or the normal text. So normal text is this, and it appears slightly bigger than the normal text. Then this sentence is already inclined, then it is underlined. Now check the similarity between strike element and del element. So though both are looking same, but their appearance or the effect in the Word document is different. It will only strike the sentence within a Word document, and it will remove the given text from the HTML document. And also if you notice that insert and underline also looking similar, but the effect is different. This means it is added to the Word document and it is highlighted with an underline. But I made a little mistake in the superscript part. Let me check what mistake I have done. Okay, so actually it is SUP. SUP represent superscript and sub represent subscript. I made a little mistake over here. Let me rectify it. Now it's okay. Now let me save this file and let me open the browser and let me refresh or reload this page or press F5 button. Now as you can see, the mistake that I made in the previous HTML coding has been rectified now. Now this too appears above the baseline of writing, and this too will appear below the baseline of writing. And the next one, that is, I have used a smaller tag which is little smaller than the normal text. Please compare both the sentence. And the last one, as I said, the mark tag is used to highlight the given text within a Word document, and default color is yellow. You can check in your system what is the default color of mark tag. So here I have shown you the basic formatting part of HTML document. I hope that you have understood this coding very well. If you face any difficulty, do contact me. As of now, I am closing this video here, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.